Dear students, our today's topic is charts in a spreadsheet. A chart is a graphical representation of data in a worksheet. It helps to provide a better understanding of large quantities of data. Charts make it easy to draw comparisons, see growth and relationship among the values and trends in data. We can say charts provide an accurate analysis of information. MS Excel offers a wide range of charts to interpret the data. These charts share some common features which assist the users to comprehend the data logically. Excel provides various types of charts as we can discuss. Today we will discuss bar chart, column chart, line chart, area chart, XY scattered chart, pie chart, definite charts. Many types of charts Excel provides. Components of chart. First is title. Okay. Chart area. Chart area includes all the area and objects in the chart. Chart area, this area. ये जो boundary दिख रही है, this boundary is known as chart area. Got it, students? Chart area includes all the area and objects in the chart. Category axis. This is category axis number 2. Okay, names are, we can see names here, names are appeared here. Category axis or x-axis is horizontal axis of a chart. Then we have value axis. Value axis, we can see values are appeared here. Value axis or y-axis is the vertical axis used to plot the values. It is located on the left side. As we can see, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120s are here. Then data series. This is data series. Data series are the bars, slices or other elements that shows the data values. 98, 65, we can see the slices. If there are multiple data series in the chart, each will have a different color or style. Got it, student? Next is marks, means category name. Category names are the labels which are displayed on the X and Y axis. Then we have plot area. Which area is plot area? ये जो ग्रे एरिया स्टूडेंट्स आपको दिख रहा है, this area is known as plot area. Plot area is a window within the chart area. It contains the actual chart itself and includes plotted area. Plotted includes plotted data, data series, categories and value axis. Dear students, ये जो ग्रे कलर का आपको दिख रहा है फील्ड, दिस एरिया इज नोन एज प्लॉट एरिया. Legend. This is legends. It depicts the colors, patterns or symbols assigned to the data series. It helps to differentiate the data. Means this color indicates Vinod marks, Arshia marks. This color indicate Monica marks, Aman's marks. Different colors and styles are available here. Then we have chart title. Got it? Chart title. This is chart title. It describes the objectives of the chart, like student report, students progressive report, okay, grain report, different type of report, different type of charts title we can give according to the data. Grid lines. Dear students, where is the grid lines? These lines are known as we can see in the plot area, these lines are known as grid lines. These can either be horizontal or vertical lines depending on the selected chart type. They extend across the plot area of the chart. Okay. Grid lines make it easier to read and understand the values. Dear students, let's do it with practical demonstration. Open spreadsheet, Excel. As I typed some values here, you can see name and marks I entered here already. Miss Excel offers the features to create an embedded chart in a worksheet. It is displayed along with source data and other information present in the worksheet. This data is known as source data. An embedded chart is saved with the corresponding worksheet when a workbook is saved. इसी worksheet के अंदर या फिर हम अलग से एक चार्ट की विंडो भी यहाँ पर बना सकते हैं. How to create chart? First of all, we need to select the data series. मैंने अपना डेटा जो रेंज ऑफ सेल्स जहां मैंने डेटा को टाइप किया आई हैव सिलेक्टेड इट. एग्जांपल वी कैन से B2 to A2 to B7. ओके, A2 से B7 तक का लिया है. नाउ क्लिक ऑन इंसर्ट टैब. चार्ट ग्रुप इज अवेलेबल हियर. ओके, वी हैव मैनी टाइप्स ऑफ चार्ट. कॉलम चार्ट, then line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, scattered chart, many types of chart we have. Column chart means it illustrates the data comparisons between individual items. Okay, we can see different types of column charts are available here. Then we have line chart. Line chart, it is in the form of lines and used to illustrate trends in data at equal intervals. It is quite similar to plotting a graph on a graph paper with its values on the x-axis and y-axis. Got it? Next we have pie chart. Pie chart. This chart displays data in the form of a circle that is divided into a series of segments. Okay, we can see in the examples. Then it shows the proportional size of individual items that makes up a data series to the sum of items. देखो यहाँ पर अलग अलग वैल्यूज के अकॉर्डिंग जो है इस सर्कल को डिवाइड किया गया है. Then we have bar chart. Bar chart, it illustrates the data comparison between individual items. It displays data in the form of long rectangular bars that are placed horizontally in the chart area. Okay, कॉलम चार्ट में वर्टिकल आ जाते हैं बार्स और यहाँ पर आपके हॉरिजॉन्टल जो है वो बार्स अपीयर हो रहे हैं. Then we have area chart. It is a unique version of line or column graph. This type of chart has more significant visual impact than a line chart. It emphasizes the magnitude, that is the volume of change over time. Okay, by showing the sum of the plotted values. An area chart also displays the relationship of parts of the whole area chart. Got it? Then we have scattered chart, XY scattered. This chart either shows the relationship in several data series or plots two groups of numbers as one series of XY coordinates. This chart shows uneven intervals or cluster of data and is commonly used for displaying scientific data. Okay, x-axis is usually assigned to an independent variable, the variable whose values is controlled or set by the experimenter. Got it? The variable y then becomes the dependent variable. Its each value depends upon the corresponding value of the variables. Okay. ये सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हमने करके देखने हैं स्टूडेंट्स. Then we have other types of chart, many types of charts. We have bubble chart, radar chart, definite chart. Definite means it displays data as sections of a circle. It can have more than one data series which attempts to add another dimensions to the pie chart. It looks like a similar to the pie chart. It is best suited for showing the proportional nature of data. Okay, a definite chart represents data values as percentage of the whole, while categories are represented by individual slices. Got it? Students, let's draw chart. सबसे पहले हम कॉलम चार्ट लेके चलते हैं. Click on column chart. Select the type of chart. Got it? Then click on the chart type. Suppose I select this one. I have selected. Okay, the chart is inserted here in this worksheet. When I select the type of chart and insert the chart, we can see 3 more tabs are available in our window: design, layout, and format. Got it? Means 3 new tabs: design, layout, and format appears under the chart tool. Okay, contextual tab. चार्ट टूल के अंदर क्या आया है आपका? डिजाइन, लेआउट और फॉर्मेट. जैसे ही हमने चार्ट इंसर्ट किया, सिलेक्ट द डिजायर्ड लेआउट फ्रॉम द चार्ट लेआउट ग्रुप ऑन द डिजाइन टैब. डिजाइन टैब से हम कोई भी चार्ट जो है यहाँ से हम सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर need. Many types of charts are available here. We can select anyone according to the choice. जो भी हमारी नीड है, ठीक है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम कोई भी चार्ट यहाँ पर सिलेक्ट जो है वो कर सकते हैं. Then styles. Okay, we can change the style. यहाँ से तो चार्ट का लेआउट लिया हमने. Style we can also change from here. Okay, color of the chart we can also change. Now, if the selected range has no details about titles, labels, etc., we can insert these in the chart by clicking on the layout tab. We have layout tab. Okay, layout tab पर click कीजिए and we can insert a chart title. Chart title, suppose above chart title is given here. Got it? Suppose none is here. Suppose आपके पास चार्ट टाइटल नहीं है, you want to insert it, you can insert. Okay, आप यहाँ पर अपने चार्ट का टाइटल जो है वो दे सकते हो. स्टूडेंट्स रिपोर्ट, marks report or student report, we can give a title here. Got it, student? Then we have axis title. Axis title we can give vertical दे सकते हो अपना नाम के पास. कहाँ पर आपने axis title? Marks of the students we can enter here. Marks of the student. Marks. Then legend. ओके, लिजेंड. सो लिजेंड एट राइट में ये लिजेंड आया. एक ही सब्जेक्ट के मार्क्स हमने लिए हुए हैं यहाँ पर. लिजेंड को हम लेफ्ट में ले सकते हैं, कहीं भी हम लिजेंड को ले सकते हैं. डेटा लेबल्स. डेटा लेबल्स सेंटर्ड. यस, वी कैन सी डेटा लेबल्स. ओके, स्लाइसेस के ऊपर आप देख सकते हैं. इनसाइड, आउटसाइड. गॉट इट? वी कैन set. Then we have data table. Data table. Show data table. With it, with the chart we can see the data table here. Got it, student? Then to change the data range of your chart, right click on the select, right click on the area, right click and select data. Data select हमने किया, ठीक है. वी कैन सी, वी कैन चेंज द रेंज. सपोज यहाँ पर इंग्लिश होता और हिंदी के भी मार्क्स होते, वी कैन चेंज द रेंज एंड द चार्ट विल बी चेंज्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू इट. हियर we can see marks and name of the students. We can see at vertical. Got it? We can switch it. अब देखिए मैंने स्विचिंग की है यहाँ पर. किसकी स्विचिंग की है मैंने? मार्क्स की और नेम्स की स्विचिंग यहाँ पर की है. Got it, student? We can set it according to our need. Then moving, resizing the chart. Okay, resizing and deleting the chart. How to delete the chart, how to move the chart, how to resize the chart. Got it, student? Yes. अब यहाँ पर भी जैसे आप देखिए यहाँ पर कर्सर, ये मेरा कर्सर है. जैसे मैं कर्सर को चार्ट एरिया में लेके जाती हूँ, we can move our chart. Got it? Anywhere we can move the chart. अब यहाँ पर कर्सर रखिए. अब complete chart we can move anywhere on the screen. Got it? Next we have resizing the chart. Resizing the chart. Okay, click on the chart, then drag it from any corner. किसी भी corner से मैंने drag किया और मैं उसको जो है वो resize कर सकती हूँ. Got it, student? And delete the chart. How to delete the chart? We can delete chart very easily. Select the chart and press the delete key from the keyboard. The chart will be deleted. Got it, students? Today's topic we have done. Thank you.